And welcome back here to another one of our beautiful trailer videos over here at Field of RV Dreams. Behind me, I got the new 2025 Solaire 2080 RB. This unit comes in at $39,900. It's got a 42-gallon freshwater tank, 38 gray, 30 black. This unit weighs 4,900 pounds with a 1,500-pound cargo carrying capacity. I want to show you guys a couple features of this trailer so you guys know what you're getting. Out in the front, you do have molded front cap, Asdel walls, a huge pass-through storage here with wider doors. Nice awning that comes over all the way from the front all the way to the back of the trailer. An area to put outside kitchen, dual axle, solid steps here, power tongue jacks, no more cranking anymore. Prep for a backup camera and a Lippert ladder system there. What's beautiful about this unit is that you will get a 50 amp service. Come check out the inside of the trailer. With this floor plan, you have a full open concept floor plan. Lots of counter space, 3-burner stove system, 22-inch oven, stainless steel sink, overhead fan, microwave, LED lighting all the way around the house, an area for a TV, a sound bar, overhead storage compartment bins. Each side gets a drawer with, let me show you this, a little cubby here too. How cool is that? You also get side tables on the unit too as well. A cool feature I want to show you on this trailer is not only is it just a nice soft bed, but it is also a Murphy bed. Check it out. So, if you have any friends over, you still have a spot for them to sit down, and it's super easy to put down too as well. You could even just use one hand for your couch. Pull this down. Say hi to Lucas. And then over here, you guys get reclining couches with side tables as well, and a wireless charging. Blackout blinds, lighting everywhere, guys. And you also have extra storage over here. And check out the bathroom. Again, it's a 42-gallon fresh water tank, 38 gray, 30 black. This unit comes in at $39,990. It's the all-new 2025 Palomino Solaire 2080 RB. Call us over here at Field of RV Dreams. The coffee's always hot and family fun is #1.